Ma'am Gina, kaya po ba paulit-ulit ang sagot nyo kanina? Kasi
Dahil,
paulit-ulit lang rin po yung tanong sa inyo.
tumpak! Kaya paulit-ulit ang sagot ni mga kababayan ni Gina Acosta dahil paulit-ulit lang ang tanong nila mga kababayan. Natumbok mo, Mr. Abogado. Di ba mga kababayan? Di ba naasar na mga kababayan yung mga ng mga buaya dahil yung mga senatong na ilan dahil pinipilit nila na bakit hinahayaan mo ng ganito ng mga pangalan ng mga belat, andilim, mga pusa, bakit hindi mo kinlarify ang mga operasyong ito, ganito, ganyan. Na ang mga sagot na yun mga kababayan is simple lang naman. Trabaho yun ni La Chica mga kababayan at wala siyang control sa mga confidential activities na yan. Ang sa kanya, nagdi-disburse lang siya mga kababayan at humihingi lang siya ng mga dokumento. Period. Pero paulit-ulit na parang hindi nakakaintindi ang mga ungas Kaya napatanong ang abogado mga kababayan, kaya ba paulit-ulit ang sagot mo dahil paulit-ulit lang din ang kanilang tanong? Nagalit si Ligutan. Panoorin niyo po mga kababayan ha.
Ma'am Gina, kaya po ba paulit-ulit ang sagot nyo kanina? Kasi paulit-ulit lang rin po yung tanong sa inyo.
Objection, that's vague.
Objection! Sampol si Ligutan
Withdraw. Vague. Nice try, vague.
Wow, nice try, Bing!
I withdraw the...
Pero totoo naman talaga mga kababayan. Ilang ulit nang sinabi ni Gina Acosta. Natrabaho nga yun nila Chica. Doon na lang niya mga kababayan dahil yan siya na ang nagsusupply kasi ng hindi yun pwede mga kababayan. Siya na ang nagsusupply ng answer. Pero, nice try nga. At least, napakita niya mga kababayan na yan ang nangyayari ngayon. Ito kasi ang cross-examination. Ito mga kababayan, friendly cross-examination dahil kakampi natin ang ine-examine, kakampi din natin ang nagko-cross-examine mga kababayan. Baliliwanagan tayo dito sa mga pang-twist ng mga buaya mga kababayan at ng mga ligutan na yan.
That you were the Special Disbursing Officer of Davao City. And this is from 2018 to 2022, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yes!
And the mayor then was Vice President Sara Duterte.
Opo, Your Honor.
Of course!
When you were SDO of Davao City, your duty pertained to disbursing confidential funds appropriated for Davao City, correct?
Hindi ko maklaro ang
Noon pong
special-
SDO kayo, ang duty nyo po ay ang pag-disburse ng confidential funds para sa Davao City, tama po?
Para
Tama
lang sa
po.
Davao City.
And you also prepared and submitted liquidation documents during that time, correct
Yes,
po?
tama po.
So marunong siya sa kanyang trabaho mga kababayan.
And when you were SDO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit against you, correct?
Wala.
Wala po.
And when you were SDO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit against then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Wala.
Wala.
There's likewise no notice of suspension issued by the Commission on Audit against you, correct? When you were
Wala.
and there's no notice of suspension issued against then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Wala po.
Wala rin pong
Ngayon lang mga kababayan dahil si Bangag na
notice of disallowance
Wala po.
laban sa inyo, wala po.
Wala po, Your
Wala
Honor.
rin pong notice of disallowance laban sa kay dating Mayor Sara Duterte, tama po?
Wala. Ngayon lang, inimbentuhan siya dahil gusto siya ipa-impeach.
Tama po, wala.
And the Commission on Audit did not reopen any audit for confidential funds of Davao City, correct?
Correct po.
Your Honor, sorry, but I have to
As you answered, Your Honor.
interject a continuing objection to this series of questions. May state my ground?
Shut up nga. Naglay siya ng predicate.
I think I know what your ground is, Counsel, but you may do so for the
Your
record.
Honor, magically,
Magically.
this witness remembers what happened in Davao. Kanina, when the prosecution was asking her,
Kasi basic ang tanong niya ikaw ba ang disbursing officer doon? Yes. General question, not specific.
sabi niya,
Counsel is
hindi niya
testifying,
maalala.
Your Honor.
Wait,
Ah.
incompetent.
Incompetent. Ikaw ang incompetent.
Put in
It's-
record.
Counsel is testifying, Your Honor. Maybe we
Then
have to
the
strike, Your
objection
Honor.
is overruled, Counsel.
Ah.
Cap-
Overruled, meaning supalpal.
Proceed.
Shut up,
And
ligutan.
when you were SDO of Davao City, it is the joint circular which is already in effect, correct?
Yes po.
and you are aware of the requirements of the joint circular regarding your functions as the special disbursing officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You mentioned also that you were the special disbursing officer of the Office of the Vice President for its confidential funds from quarter 4 of 2022 until quarter 3 of 2023, correct?
Correct po, Your Honor.
And similar
Bakit pumalag si Ligutan, mga kababayan, na yung mga questions niya, hindi naman specific. Kasi yung mga hindi natatandaan ni Gina Acosta doon, mga kababayan, nung panahon sa, nung nasa Davao pa niya, tinanong na, yung mga pangalan na yan, andun ba yan dati? Ano mga pangalan doon sa confidential fund na nakalagay? Hindi mo talaga matatandaan. Pero eto, naging ka ba, disbursing officer ka ba sa Davao? Oh yes. So anong pinagnangak-ngak ng Ligutan, mga kababayan, na bakit biglang natandaan?
with your tasks in Davao City, you also prepared the documents for liquidation.
Opo, Your Honor.
Yes, of course.
As SDO, you were not part of any confidential operations of the agency, correct?
Mhm.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no experience in confidential operations.
Kaya nga, wala.
Wala po akong
Wala. So bakit siya ang tatanungin, mga kababayan, tungkol dyan sa sa mga trabaho nila chika, di ba?
experience niyan, Your Honor.
You do not know how confidential operations are done on the ground.
Wala po akong alam niyan, Your Honor.
You have
Hindi
not
niya alam.
undergone any
So bakit nyo tinatanong? Ang sa kanya, mga kababayan, mag-disburse na ng pera.
formal training regarding confidential operations or activities.
Wala po akong tinining na ganyan.
You are not aware of the operational security required when it comes to confidential operations, correct?
Yes po.
Correct.
Wala po kayong military background.
Wala po
Lalo
akong-
lang,
May
wala.
law enforcement background po ba kayo?
Ano po yun?
Do you have a law enforcement
Wala rin.
background?
Wala po ako niyan, Your Honor.
When you were SDO of the OVP, you have no authority to access security information, correct?
Yes po.
Correct. So bakit nila tinatanong yan, mga kababayan, yung mga activities na si Acosta, mga kababayan, hindi naman niya trabaho yan.
Wala rin po kayong authority to access classified information.
Wala rin.
Yes po.
You were not also given any security clearance in the
Wala.
OVP. And because you were already the SDO of Davao City, you remain familiar with the joint circular, correct?
Familiar po a little, Your Honor.
The joint circular does not require you, an SDO, to be personally involved in the agency's confidential operations.
That's misleading, Your Honor. It's clearly in the joint circular that's the job. That's the job of an SDO to disperse confidential funds.
Your Honor, the prosecution
Ang tanong,
also
bakit ikaw ang sumasagot, Ligutan?
inquired as to the contents of the joint circular.
Oh, that's why-
I'm examining the witness, Your Honor. If there is such a provision.
The question is misleading.
Witness may answer,
Ligutan. Ungas.
I'll allow it, counsel. Kindly answer the question.
The joint circular does not require you, an SDO, to be personally involved in the agency's confidential operations on the ground.
Wala pong sinabi ang circular, Your Honor.
Wala rin po bang sinabi sa joint circular na kailangan may experience kayo pagdating sa confidential operations?
Wala rin sinabi.
Wala din, Your Honor, sa aking pagka-understand.
May nakalagay rin po ba sa joint circular na kailangan may kaalaman kayo kung papaano ginagawa ang confidential activities?
Wala ko naka-encounter.
Wala. Dahil, mga kababayan, hindi nga niya trabaho yan. Mag-disburse lang siya, tapos humingi siya ng mga accomplishment report, mga report, mga kababayan, at saka resibo.
Your Honor, sa GC.
Nire-require din po ba kayo ng joint circular na mag-undergo ng formal na training para sa confidential activities?
Wala,
Wala
Your Honor.
din.
Nire-require po ba kayo ng joint circular na dapat ang STO merong military background?
Wala ko kabasahan na, Your Honor.
Wala. So, meaning, mga kababayan, walang mali sa kanyang ginawa.
No.
Wala rin ang law enforcement background. Wala rin ganyung requirement.
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require ba ng joint circular na ang isang special disbursing officer kailangan may authority to access security information?
Wala rin. So, hindi talaga niya masasagot, mga kababayan. Dahil wala siyang access.
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require din po ba ng joint circular na ang STO kailangan may security clearance?
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require din po ba ng joint circular na pinagbabawal kayo rely sa documents provided by a security officer?
Ano yun, Your Honor?
May pagbabawal po ba sa joint circular na ang nabawal mag-rely sa documents na pinoprovide ng security officer?
Wala, Your Honor.
The requirement of the joint circular is that a special disbursing officer must be a regular or permanent employee of the agency, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
And you are a regular or permanent employee of the Office of the Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Siligutan, nanggagigil ang, mga kababayan,
Honor.
ang buisit.
Terminus po, Your Honor.
And the joint circular provides that it is the SO who must have access to security information. Tama po?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And ito rin po ba ang dahilan kaya ang SO, ang security officer, ang kailangan mag-implement ng confidential operations ng ahensya?
Sa ako ang pagsabot sa GC, Your Honor.
At ang security officer po, ang nag-designate dito ang head of agency, tama?
Yes, ang head of agency, Your Honor.
Yun din po ba ang dahilan kaya kinailangan nyo ang inputs o guidance ng security officer in preparing the physical and financial plan?
Yes, Your Honor, kasi wala po akong alam sa mga operations sa ground.
The OVP submitted a physical and financial plan to the Department of Budget and Management, correct? For
Opo.
2022? Are you aware?
Nag-submit po ang OVP ng physical and financial plan na required po sa DBM.
Ito pong physical and financial plan is in support of the OVP's request for confidential funds noong 2022.
Wala na, naplema na si
And
si
yung-
Swiss.
The PFP, which the OVP submitted to the Department of Budget and Management, is also based on the good governance program of the OVP, correct?
Correct.
Wala ko ka-get sa question ni mo, Your Honor.
Yung po bang physical and financial plan na sinubmit ng OVP sa Department of Budget and Management, nakabase rin po ba sa good governance program ng OVP?
Opo, Your Honor.
At matapos pong isubmit ang nasabing physical and financial plan, tama po ba na the Department of Budget and Management recommended the approval of the confidential funds to the Office of the President?
Opo, Your Honor.
And the Office of the President, through the Executive Secretary, approved the Office of the Vice President's request for confidential funds.
Your Honor, at this juncture, I'll be objecting.
Ay, nako, ligutan. Ang estilo ni ligutan, mga kababayan, hindi niya pagsasalitain.
If I may state the ground, Your Honor, please.
Proceed, counsel.
The ground being, there is a distinction between, on one hand, things that may be covered on cross on a non-adverse witness. Totoo po, sa 2019 rules, nakasulat dyan, inamend ng Korte Suprema na po pwedeng magtanong on cross yung isang partido so long as on any relevant matter. Pero po, Your Honor, in the 2019 rules, hindi po nabago. Yung rule po that is applicable to adverse witness, nakasulat po sa rule sa adverse witness, po pwede lang mag-cross sa mga bagay na napag-usapan during redirect. Ulitin ko po, mas pinalawig ng 2019 rules yung cross-examination for ordinary witnesses.
Ano pakialam mo?
Sa adverse witness, which we have now, hindi po pinalawig ng Supreme Court. Dapat po may relevance sa naging pag-uusap
Bakit? Wala pa yung relevance. Connected naman lahat na yun, mga kababayan, sa pinag-usapan.
abogado tsaka testigo during redirect. Now, that's the point. Now, as to who approved the confidential funds, Your Honor, it was not touched upon. It was not touched upon during the direct examination. Ulitin ko,
Ano mga kababayan, to the rescue na siya dahil na nahalungkat na mga kababayan na galing yun kay Bongbong Bangag Marcos. Hindi daw nila tinatch. Wag nating i-touch yan dahil mabubuking. Wag yung idamay si Bongbong Bangag.
29
Yan ang kanya.
rules, pinalawig yung cross for ordinary witness.
Impeachment yan So generis nga yan So pwedeng hindi talaga nakabase dyan sa rules mo na yan na O anong kagunggungan mo dyan?
Pero mas stricto pa rin yung rule applicable when it comes to adverse witness. Objection, Your Honor, that's not allowed.
That's not allowed. Ano, kasi ni swerte?
During cross of an adverse witness, basis
Proceed.
rules of court.
Your Honor, may I respond?
Of course you may.
Of
Your
course.
Honor, my inquiry is based on the fiscal and financial plan for 2022, which was the subject matter of the inquiry in the examination in
Correct.
chief, Your Honor. So the inquiry is necessitated to to inform this honorable court of the entire picture.
Ala, takot si Cheese kasi matatouch na si Bangag Takot ka, Cheese Whiz.
The court will, for the meantime, overrule the objection. Also because this has
Buti na
been
lang.
established, but I would like to remind counsel, this has been established already by the previous witnesses, counsel, that the confidential funds was by virtue of Pasaro, and it is indeed in the document that you are referring to. Overruled. Witness may answer.
May I repeat my question, Your Honor? The Office of the President, through the Executive Secretary, approved the Office of the Vice President request for
Alaka, damay-damay na tong nagba.
confidential funds. Correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
And this approval is why the OVP was allocated confidential funds for 2022. Ito po yung dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon
Binigay
ng
ni
confidential
Bangag.
funds ang OVP noong taong 2022.
Opo, Your Honor.
So you also prepared the fiscal and financial plan for 2023. This fiscal and financial plan was based on the General Appropriations Act, correct?
Yes po, GAA po.
And the General Appropriations Act for 2023 allocates confidential funds for the Office of the Vice President.
Opo.
The General Appropriations Act contains a line item allocation for OVP's socio-economic program delivery, correct?
Yes po.
The General Appropriations Act for 2023 was approved by the Senate and the House of Representatives, correct?
Aprobado
Your
ha?
Honor.
Which is why, for the fiscal and financial plan for 2023, you indicated socio-economic program delivery.
Yes po.
And in this fiscal and financial plan, the Vice President is a signatory, correct?
Isa po siya sa nagperma, Your Honor.
You mentioned that you prepared the documents for liquidation. You also executed certifications, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
The form of the certification is provided by the joint circular, correct?
Correct.
Yes po.
In fact, the form of said certification is contained in Annex B of the joint circular.
Ano po yun, Your Honor?
May the witness be confronted with Defense Exhibits D-I-136, Annex B,
Assisting counsels may approach.
which is a template of the certification, Your Honor, attached in the joint circular.
Ito.
Tama po, ma'am, no, na ang form ng certification ay nakalagay sa Annex B ng joint circular.
Opo, Your Honor.
And
Visit yan si Cheese sa plema sa kanyang lalamunan, no?
the joint circular
Patayin mo Cheese ang mikropono mo habang humahagod ka ng plema mo.
states or provides the contents that must appear in the certification. Tama po?
This one?
Opo, nakalagay po dyan kung anong mga aligasyon na dapat naka-indicate sa certification. Tama po?
Tama po.
The joint circular does not give you any authority to alter the form it has given for the certification. Tama
Yes.
po?
Tama po.
And when you were preparing the liquidation documents, nabanggit nyo rin po kanina na you had the opportunity to examine the documents which is submitted to the COA, correct?
Ano po yun?
Nung pong nagpe-prepare kayo ng liquidation, nabanggit nyo rin po kanina na nakita nyo po yung mga documents na kailangan, tama po? Sa liquidation.
Opo.
And nakita mo rin po doon yung liquidation report, tama po? Yung mga liquidation reports kada quarter.
Opo.
And you were able to see that the Vice President certified that the cash advance for confidential funds was duly accomplished. Tama po ba?
No,
Yes,
jolly
Your Honor.
accomplished na.
Nung habang nagle-liquidate din po kayo para sa confidential funds kada quarter, you remain in coordination with the security officer.
Opo.
And ito pong coordination na to
Your Honor,
pertain
Your Honor,
Ayun.
Yes, what is the basis of the objection, counsel?
that's not even a question. There was no question.
Anong wala question? Ano pala yung mga kine-question niya?
The counsel is just stating a statement and waiting for the witness to confirm. The witness, the
Your Honor,
counsel
Pina-confirm nga.
testifying. There's no question.
What's the basis of the...
There's no question.
No,
Ask
What's
a
the question, Your Honor?
There's no question on record.
Ano pala yun? Ano, hindi yun tanong? Natutulog ka ba, ligutan?
You're just
Actually-
stating a statement.
Yun, oh. Ang bastos ba, kababayan, ng yung kanyang, mga pananalita?
And waiting for this witness to say, yes, tama po.
That was a question.
Oh,
Actually,
that is a question,
it assumes that the question was in seriatim, I presume.
Yes, Your
Yes,
all
that is a question.
based on
In
the
declarative form, Your
all
Honor.
based on the documents submitted.
A question in
And
declarative
when
form.
asked if he is correct in saying that, it is in the form of a question, counsel. But if he,
Bobo! Ligutan, bobo.
the court will allow it and will gladly welcome a continuing objection along these lines of questioning, counsel,
Yes, Your
to be
Honor.
placed on record. Counsel, may proceed.
This coordination pertains with the security officer pertains to how confidential funds was implemented on the ground, correct?
Opo.
In fact, you
So, wala pa rin question, ligutan. Ungas.
mentioned earlier that the security officer also showed you a fund utilization report. This is how you know how the confidential funds was implemented on the ground. Ito po yung dahilan
On the
kung bakit
ground.
alam nyo kung papaano
Alala natin sila ni na on the ground.
in-implement ang confidential funds on the ground. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
And after your examination
Galit na-
of the documents,
galit na
as you
si
mentioned
Ligutan
earlier,
Buisit,
and your
oh.
coordination with the security officer, you are satisfied that the confidential funds were used in connection with confidential activities.
Yes po, based sa mga documents na sinabit niya sa akin.
During the examination in chief of the prosecution, you also testified that the security officer did not sign the physical and financial plan, the accomplishment
Play man ni Chis
report,
visit.
the liquidation report, and the certifications despite the inputs and guidance provided. Pero tama po ba na wala sa joint circular nagbabawal from getting inputs and guidance from a security officer in preparation of the physical and financial plan?
Sa pagkaintindi ko po, wala pong pagbabawal doon.
Tama rin po ba na walang nakalagay sa joint circular na bawal kumuha ng input o guidance from the security officer sa pag-prepare ng accomplishment report?
Tama po.
Tama rin po ba na walang bawal sa joint circular kumuha ng input o guidance from a security officer in preparation
Walang
of the liquidation
nagbabawal.
report?
Oh.
Tama po.
Ganon din po sa certification. Wala pong pagbabawal na kumuha ng inputs and guidance from a security officer. Tama po?
Tama po.
Wala rin pong nakalagay sa joint circular na kailangan nakapirma ang security officer. Tama po?
Tama po.
The forms
Si Ligutan. Ano?
provided by the joint circular is
Yung
that
uno mong mukha
these
mo.
documents must be signed by an accountable officer. Tama po?
Ano po yun na document?
Yung pong physical and financial plan, accomplishment report, liquidation report, and certification, ang nire-require po ng JC ng joint circular ay dapat nakalagda dito ang isang accountable officer. Tama po?
Tama po.
At kayo po yun. Kayo po
Opo.
ay accountable officer. Tama po?
Tama po.
Okay. You were also asked about acknowledgement receipts.
Yan.
You examined the acknowledgement receipts, correct?
Yes po.
And you tallied the amount.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you checked the purpose for which confidential funds were used in the acknowledgement receipts.
Opo, Your Honor.
Chinek mo rin po ba yung date?
Nadaanan ko po yun ang mga date, Your Honor.
And nakita nyo po na ang confidential funds ay ginamit within the period required.
Opo, Your Honor.
And satisfied po kayo na ito ay ginamit sa confidential expenses. Tama po?
Tama po, Your Honor.
May nabanggit din po kayong accomplishment report during the examination of the prosecution. The joint circular provided a template for the accomplishment report, correct?
Opo.
Correct.
The joint circular also provided that the
Ayan naman na. Tingnan, i-visit na lang nila mga kababayan ang joint circular. Makikita nila doon mga kababayan ang mga guidelines. Sinunod lahat yun, VP Sara. Ito talaga mga buisit, no?
accomplishment report must contain the specific detail by object. Correct po?
Opo, Your Honor.
By object, tama po ba na naintindihan nyo to as by category? Tama po?
Ano ibig sabihin po?
Sinabi sa joint circular na by object ang nakalagay dapat sa accomplishment report. Tama po ba na ang pagkakaintindi nyo dito ng by object is by category?
Opo, Your Honor.
Since you prepared the liquidation documents, the Office of the Vice President submitted these documents to the Commission on Audit, correct?
Opo.
So you complied with the joint circular's requirement that the liquidation of confidential funds must be done within 30 days from the close of each quarter. Tama po?
Tama po yun.
Okay. So for quarter 1 po ng 2023, tama po ba na ang OVP nagsubmit ng liquidation documents sa Commission on Audit noong April 13, 2023?
Ano po yung quarter, Your Honor?
May we ask that the witness be confronted with D-I-29-OVP?
That's for the first quarter, Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. The document is a cover letter addressed to
Hindi na niya maalala yan.
Chair-
Ipakita nyo na lang kung anong talaga date saka anong instance.
Chairman Cordoba, Your Honor.
Assisting counsels may approach.
Do you confirm, ma'am, that there is a stamp received by the Commission on Audit, ICFAO, on April 13, 2023?
Opo, Your Honor.
For quarter 2 of 2023, Ma'am Gina, the OVP submitted the liquidation documents sa Commission on Audit on July 13, 2023. Naalala niyo po ba kung tama ito?
Nag-submit kami, Your Honor, pero di ko ma-confirm.
For the record, Your
kung
Honor.
Wala ko document, Your Honor.
For the record, Your Honor, we would confront the witness with Defense Exhibits D-I-54-OVP. It's same cover letter, Your Honor,
For the second quarter.
for the second quarter.
Yes, Your Honor. Nag-submit po kami last July 13, 2023.
And nakalagay po dyan na tama po, may stamp received ang COA ICFAO noong July 13, 2023, correct?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Para sa
Correct.
quarter 3 naman po, na liquidation, maalala nyo po ba kung kailan nyo sinubmit? Maalala nyo po ba kung tama ang date na October 26, 2023? Ito, for the record, Your Honor, we would want to confront the witness with D-I-78-OVP, Your Honor, which is the same letter for quarter 3 of 2023.
Yes po, napareceive po sa Commission on Audit, Intelligence and Confidential Fund on October 26, 2023.
Do you confirm, Ma'am Gina, that there is a stamp received by the COA ICFAO on October 26, 2023?
Yes, Your Honor, meron.
And you are aware that for quarters 1 to 3, this would be disallowed in a notice of disallowance number 2026-001, correct?
Meron pong disallowance, Your Honor.
May we confront the witness with Defense Exhibits D-I-9, which is the notice of disallowance dated number 2026-001, Your Honor. Tama po, ito po yung disallowance ng quarter 1 to 3 of 2023.
Opo, Your Honor. Ito po.
At ito pong notice of disallowance na to, tama po ba na in-issue ito ng Commission on Audit noong March 31, 2026?
Opo, Your Honor.
At in-issue po ito ng Commission on Audit habang ang Committee on Justice ay nagko-conduct ng mini trial against the Vice President, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance. What's the relevance? Not touched upon. The use of the term mini trial. That's one. Number two, not touched upon during direct examination. The rules are more restrictive when it comes to cross-examination of an adverse witness. Exhibit A is the line of question of the defense.
Kindly reform, counsel. I will not sustain the objection. Neither will I overrule it. Just kindly reform, counsel, so that we can proceed.
We will reform, Your Honor. This notice of disallowance was issued by the Commission on Audit while the Committee on Justice is conducting its hearing for impeachment, correct?
Di ko maalala, Your
Hindi niya
Honor.
Pero na-receive nyo po itong notice of disallowance noong April 8, 2026, tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. May signature po ako dito na na-receive ko po April 8, 2026.
So, na-receive nyo po yung notice of disallowance number 2026-001 on April 8, 2026 kahit na-submit nyo na yung liquidation noong 2023 pa lamang, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
At habang in the this is in the middle of the Committee on Justice hearings, correct?
Di kasi ako nakikinig sa TV at saka sa radio, Your Honor, kung mga about balita-balita, Your Honor. Kaya dili ko makasagot.
Ma'am Gina, kaya po ba paulit-ulit ang sagot nyo kanina? Kasi paulit-ulit lang rin po yung tanong sa inyo.
Objection, that's vague.
I withdraw,
Vague.
Your Honor.
Withdraw.
Vague. Nice try, vague.
I withdraw the question, Your Honor.
You should.
So withdrawn.
Nice try.
No further questions.
All right. A few redirect with the court's permission, Your Honor, please.
With emphasis on a few, counsel.
Yes.
You may proceed, counsel.
Madam Witness, kanina, nung nakarang araw, while yung prosecution that is presenting you as an hostile or as we are accustomed to, hostile witness, sinabi nyo, in several instances, hindi mo masagot yung mga katanungan nangyari 2022 and prior to that. Kasi sabi mo, hindi mo na maalala. You remember having said that, hindi po ba?
Yung mga tanong mo po, Your Honor, na sinabi mo yung
Sa Davao.
sa Davao na 460.
Yes.
Di ko maalala yun, Your
Okay,
Honor.
Hindi mo
Ang
maalala.
amount. Opo.
Pero ma'am, kanina dire-diretso yung defense. Tinatanong ka, nakatanggap ba ng audit observation memorandum? Natanggap ba ng notice of disallowance during your stint sa Davao City? Diretso, sabi mo, wala. Biglang
No
naalala
question,
nyo.
Your Honor.
Wait. I'm testing the
Kindly
credibility
allow
of this.
counsel to finish.
Now, bigla mong naalala, 2019, 2018 to 2022. Alam niyo po ba yung tinatawag nating selective memory, ma'am? Do you know that? Yes or
Objection,
no?
Your Honor.
Oops.
Argumentative.
Your Honor, I'm confronting this witness with a fact that everybody heard. When I was asking questions, sabi niya, conveniently hindi ko maalala. But when propounded with similar line of questioning as to events that happened in Davao City while she was an SDO, she said, yes, I can remember, diretsa yung sagot. That's why I'm asking that question as basis. Alam niyo po ba, anong ibig sabihin
I'll allow
ng selective memory?
If the witness knows,
ang ibig sabihin po kanina, Your Honor, ang amount po na sinabi nyo na yun po ba, yan ba ang halaga ng confidential funds ng Davao City? Yun po, nag-concentrate ako, ang intindi ko, ang pagsabot ko, Your Honor, is yung the amount po. Hindi ko po maalala kung yun ba talaga, Your Honor.
That's your
Okay.
answer, ma'am. Ma'am, let's proceed po. Let's proceed, ma'am.
that's the witness's answer.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. You know, ako, for 2 days, medyo nahihirapan sa mga tanong ko kasi sabi mo, hindi ka nakakaintindi masyado ng Tagalog. Naalala niyo po ba yung mga episodes na yan during the last hearing and this morning? Yes or no? Alala mo?
Ano yun, sir?
Yung mga hindi mo maintindihan, yung mga tanong ko na tinatagalog ko, di ba naalala mo, nasabi mo, hindi ko maintindihan. That's why we had to go through the trouble of trying to interpret, translate into Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Alala po ba yung mga pangyayari yan sa loob ng courtroom? Di po ba?
Yes,
or no?
naalala ko, Your Honor,
Yes,
yung mga
okay.
Tagalog na lalom, na
Lalom.
deeper,
Yeah,
dili kay
deeper.
ko ka sabot, Your
Yes,
Honor.
hindi ko maintindihan yung sabot now. But when it was the defense asking you, rapido.
What's the question, Your
Wait,
Honor?
not yet. Hold your horses.
Counsel is testifying, Your Honor.
Relax. Hindi pa tapos. I'm just laying the premise. Relax. Mabilis.
There's no question, Your Honor.
Wait. Mabilis. Tagalog. All of a sudden, nasasagot mo, walang translation, nasasagot mo ng diretso.
Your Honor,
Explain.
nangutan naman ko, nag-ask ko saya, Your Honor, kay dili ko, ang question niya, na yung mga question niya, Your Honor, nga nagpa-repeat ko, kay dili kayo ko kasabot, dili kayo ko ka-understand, Your Honor.
Alright.
Nagmutan ako kay attorney, nagpa-repeat ko po ng question sa kay attorney kung ano po yon, kay hindi ko talaga na maintindihan or
Yes,
makuha ang ihang pangutana, Your
Your Honor, I
Honor.
will not belabor the point. The records are crystal clear.
Move
I
to
will
strike.
move on. Oh, what? I move on to the next question.
Move to strike, Your Honor. It's counsel is testifying.
I mean, that's a
motion-
manifestation, and what
Motion
we-
denied. Motion denied, counsel. I mean,
Yeah. You should do your own
let it stay at the
mistake you
record.
make. Okay.